In 2022, me and my girlfriend won the DiscoverEu Travel Pass, which is a 7-day pass that allows you to take any train for free in those days in the European Union. So we used this to travel across Europe in pursuit of these rats from Ikea, on screen now. In total, the trip was about 14 days, and so here's what happened. The city is very yellow. Like everything is yellow. Why is it all yellow?
Limestone perhaps?
Sandstone maybe. This is weird. There's umbrellas. So far what we've done is walk around, get heat stroke and learn how the buses work.
And see a pigeon without a leg.
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
He was pretty cool.
You can kind of see a bit of bone sticking out, so it looked like a surveillance pigeon with a wire hanging. So there's this big gate.
They really like the gates.
Yeah, they're big gate fans here. I don't know why.
No one gate keeps them. Can you snicker? No?
Okay, returning from our the end of our first day out of this 14-day trip. We've just gone to the shop to get food because we're starving.
I cannot afford food outside.
Yeah, and despite not being able to afford food outside, I bought 2 bottles of wine because I'm in Bordeaux.
They're affordable, so you can afford it.
Yeah. So on day 2, we've come to here, wherever here is.
It's white.
Yeah,
Yellow.
everything's white instead of yellow. It's weird. Well, except that weird thing over there. Today's mission, France rat. Doubt we'll find one, but it's worth it.
I promise you.
How?
I promise you. I know how Ikea works now, and I have the rat sensors.
Alright. We are definitely the first people to get the DiscoverEu pass and use it to go to Ikea. So we're actually using the Interrail ticket for the first time in this weirdly huge
I'm fancy.
train station. We're now on
A train?
Yeah, we're on a train.
To Arcachon.
Arcachon.
Yep. So this place looks a little bit less like everything is the same. It's refreshing. Oh hey, we have the Dutch Empire. So Arcachon didn't really have that much to offer, so we went back to Bordeaux that evening to prepare for Italy the next day. Cat. French cat. Day 3 of this, and now we're attempting to go to Italy. We're sitting on a street waiting for a bus, and if it doesn't show up, we die. Yeah, that's how this works.
Oh, we pay €9.
No, we die.
Oh, we die, yeah.
Yeah, to get to Italy, we need to get to Paris first, and while we're in Paris, there's a cat.
With long legs. Like, long legs.
Alright, update. We are on the TGV. We're heading for Paris, and hopefully Long Leg can't. Let me actually see if it's open. Bordeaux, despite being relatively pleasant for the most part, it did end up a bit stale after a while, with all the buildings looking similar and the sun beaming down on us. Overall, Bordeaux seems to be a city that would appeal more to older people who want to relax instead of going on adventures. The wine was good and the people were mostly okay, so I'd give Bordeaux a maybe on the probability of return scale. Oh my god. That's incredible. Huh? We found him. So as it turns out, the Musée d'Orsay is free if you're under 25.
Which means you can see the white cat for free.
Yeah. Yes. There he is. There he is.
There he is.
He's here. So we've come to a pizza place in Paris.
Right outside the train station because we're stressed we're gonna miss it and then we die.
To give you an idea of the prices, the pizza was €13 and each of these were €2. Paris isn't very cheap.
I doubt I'll ever see you eating pizza with a knife and fork, so I'm just gonna document it. Paris really got to your head, Bradley.
We were only in Paris for about 4 hours, but while we were there, we saw the Cat, we ate a really good pizza, and saw most landmarks from a distance, like a serious distance. We avoided a few scammers, but I'd give Paris a probably would come back on the tier list. I believe we've encountered an Italian creature.
A troll.
They said the train is stopped in the middle of the road and don't try to open the door for your safety. Italy, ladies and gentlemen.
I really couldn't have picked a better spot. This is a runway, this is a fenced area.
Goofy.
No, Bradley.
Okay, so Turin is definitely the best country that we've gone to. Currently solo. I went on like a city mission myself to get like a flag, which I got. Pretty much everyone speaks English here. It's great, and everyone is really nice. From what I've seen so far. Paulina's gone on a train to climb a mountain, so hopefully she'll come back alive. That'd be cool.
Okay, so basically I got a Train-Italia ticket that only says where I depart from and where I get to. There's no train numbers nor train times at all. Okay, I think I underestimated it a little bit, because if this means meters above sea level, then this is like 100 meters less than the tallest mountain in Ireland. Which means this little trek isn't a little trek like I intended it to be, but hey, only 40 minutes to go. I found this little guy. He's kind of useless though because he won't tell me where to go. Also, people are giving me weird looks for doing this in a dress. And I haven't seen anyone in a very long while. So, yeah. I'm somewhere here. Oh, there it is. The beetle was correct. Just keep going forward. The direction he was pointing. Hello.
Okay, so we have arrived in Venice now. We got a hotel, which is not at all what we do. It was just somehow the cheapest option. 83 a night, and we got actually a triple room for some reason. It's at like a 15-degree angle. If that kept going, that shower would just turn into a point. Look at this. There's like different angles here and here. And in the next few videos, you'll see the rest of our journey across Europe. There's 4 countries to go after this, and they only get more interesting from here.